Hi guys! Today we're going to be doing a blindfolded taste testing challenge. And right now I'm going to do it with my friend Gianna. And, yeah, so, here are the food. Okay, she's going to be starting now. Okay, turn your hands the other way, Don't touch anything. I'm going to feed it all to you in a spoon. Okay, so first we're going to start with, we're going to go one good, one bad. Okay, here's good. Open. What is it?
Applesauce.
Yes, it was applesauce. So she got the first one right. Okay, next. Okay, it's good. Wait, no. Wait, yeah, it is good. Open. Open. Good. And if you need to, you can finish.
Mustard.
Napkin.
Oh my god, give me a drink.
That's it, napkin. That's the challenge. You can't have a drink. Okay. Okay. Next one. Oh god.
Peanut butter.
Yeah. Okay. Next one.
That's up.
Yeah. And the last one. Open really wide. Yeah. Okay, she did a great job and she got everything right. But she spit the mustard out.
No, I
But
didn't.
she still did a
I
good
like
job.
the mustard.
She still won. Okay, now the next
My
video is going to be
God.
of her doing me, but we have to get ready for that video, so it'll be in a separate video. Sorry. Bye, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and comment some more challenges we should do.
Ah!